Hello everyone, let us discuss the while loop in Python. So a while loop is a conditional loop. That means it is based on a condition that will repeat the instructions within itself as long as a conditional remains true. A while loop will execute till the instructions are true. So here is the syntax of while loop. First we will write the while keyword, then logical expression, or we can say any condition. Then we will put colons. After putting colons, we will write the body of while loop here, whatever we want to execute in the while loop. Now let us discuss a simple example of while loop. Here is one code. First we have taken one variable a, and a has been assigned value 5. Then within the while loop, while a greater than 0. So here our condition is a greater than 0. A should be greater than 0. Then in body part we have two instructions, or you can say two statements. First statement is printing value of a, and in second statement we are decrementing the value of a by 1. So here minus operator has been used as augmented operator in the form of augmentation. This statement means a equals to a minus 1. So when we execute the loop, so this loop, while loop, will execute until the value of a is greater than 0. So what will happen actually? First, our compiler of Python, that is interpreter, will execute the first statement. Then when it enters into while loop, it will print the value of a. So first time value of a is 5. Then value of a will be decrementing by 1. So value of a will become 4. Then again it will check the condition, still value of a is greater than 0. So again it will go to the body part. So value of 4 will be printed, and then value of it will be decremented. So this way our while loop will execute. Every time it will check the condition. If condition is true, condition that we have given in while loop, if it is true, then it will print the value, and then it will execute the third statement. So while loop will be executed until the value of a is 0. So let us see output. So these value will be printed 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After printing 1, value of a will become 0. So condition is a should be greater than 0. So at that point while loop ends, and then this is our output. So here is one simple question. This is for you students. Try this question. In this let me explain this question, and everyone has to try out the output. So in this question, two variables have been taken, x equals to 10, y equals to 0. Then while loop, in while loop condition is y should be less than x. So while loop will execute until y is less than x. So then we have two statements. Value of x is incremented by 1, and value of y will be decremented by 1. And then accordingly we are printing hello. So try out this question. And then we have another category of while loop, that is infinite loop. Infinite while loop means when while loop will go endlessly, it will not stop. So here is one example of infinite loop. X equals to 10, one variable x is taken and its value is 10. And then we have while true. So here is no condition is given, only true is written. Boolean true is written, truth value true. So while true, so till while loop is true, it will print hello. So there is no condition or there is no stopping point, so it will print hello endlessly, or you can say infinite loop. Okay, so to break infinite loop, either we can give any condition, either we can give here any condition or give here anything we have to give to stop the loop. So this was all about while loop. Thank you.